Hello guys, today we are going to continue lesson 24, which is about Trendline HarryBot. So what is this lesson about? This lesson about is help you to drawing chart pattern for you, but basically you must know the chart pattern. What kind of chart pattern is ascending triangle, descending triangle, top and folder, top and minis. You must know all of that basics type of chart pattern. That's why this can help you. Example here. Yeah, this is the chart pattern, but how to add this? So a good example, I remove this one. It automatically drawing for us. So first you go up here and add it, and add trend line. Type the word trend line. HarryBot. See here, trend line. This is HarryBot. Click on it. Okay, it come up in here. See, this is the support. This is resistant. So now time frame 4 hour BNB pay USDT. It break the support now. See, it's break the support. Look at another chart pattern. Oh, it previous draw only this first. Okay, look at Bitcoin. What we will drawing first. Okay, we draw like this first. It's not. Okay, so yesterday it break the resistance here. Break resistance here one time, and then it come down again and break again. Yeah. Because it's checkpoint, this is the resistance, and this is checkpoint, this is support. Okay, break this one and come down again and break again. Then this is become the other thing is this become uptrend. Yes, as I told you, you must also have basically a chart pattern. Otherwise, you can check out in the internet how the chart pattern look like. Analysis. Okay. There are several and many chart pattern like this. We break the triangle from up like this. Break the support from up in uptrend and break the support. Yes, you can look at all of this in the head and shoulder, triangle, top, flag, many is here. This is forex. Yes. Okay, so that's the benefit of Trendline HarryBot. It can help us to draw the chart pattern for us. Where's this? Okay, so to sum up, all of these lessons you must combine together, including chart pattern, CDC action zone, twin rank filter, MA, CDC, CCI, MACD, RSI. You must confirm all together, and then you decide to buy or sell. Okay, here, see, you must check all together. Time frame 4 hour. MACD is confirmed down. MA is not yet going to confirm, but not yet. CDC is sorry. We Okay, chart pattern is break now. It break. Confirm, yeah. Twin rank filter is confirmed short. CDC is confirmed down here. See, down here. Last night at 3 o'clock a.m. And look at other. CCI is confirmed down here. Since last night at yesterday at time 15. Confirmed down, and RSI is also confirmed down here. It's going down, yeah. So all of these you confirm together, and then you decide to buy. So now I'm waiting for the EMA is confirmed. I buy with time frame 4 hour. It's not confirmed now. It's almost, I'm waiting almost 2 hours since 6 o'clock now. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.